Hello, welcome to the kitchen. Today we are going to make lemon bars. For this recipe, you need 1 cup all-purpose flour, a half a cup confectioner's sugar, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 4 ounces, 1 stick of unsalted butter, cold and cut into 1/2-inch pieces. For the filling, you need 2 large bagels, 1 cup superfine or baker's sugar, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of finely grated Meyer lemon zest, and 1/4 cup freshly squeezed Meyer lemon juice.
The first step is to take 1 unclothed lemon, and you want to cut it apart.
Squeeze it like the neck of your worst enemy. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
Spicy. Paint me like one of your French girls.
Measure the flour.
Next, measure the sugar.
Got a little something on here. Oh. Measure out 2/8 teaspoons of salt.
Delicious. Cut the butter into 1/2-inch pieces.
Okay, come on, we have to get this right, okay? So, where's the... How do you even use this thing?
No, come on, that's not right.
Okay, what is an...
It's a 1/2 inch. It's a half.
What does an inch even look like?
We learned about this. It's an inch. It's 1 inch and then half.
What, last year in 1st grade?
What? No, it was in kindergarten. It was this year.
Okay.
Put the butter in the food processor.
Scrumptious.
After the food processor does its job, test to make sure the crust will taste good. Couldn't quite taste it. Seal its fate. Whisk together the sugar, flour, and salt. Two tablespoons flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I take pride in my well-organized kitchen. It's the mark of a true chef to have your recipes memorized and your things where they belong.
Amen. Next, take 2 lemons and zest them.
add 2 babies.
That's a big baby. Twins!
Whisk the baby. Add the lemon.
Make sure to taste test your filling before you put it in to make sure it tastes good. Need a little bit more.
Pour the filling into the crust. Beauty in a box. Presentation is everything.